You're seeing how leap. Let's learn how to clear RAM or free up memory on your iPhone to potentially fix slowdowns. There is no direct clear RAM button, but you can force a soft reset that clears the memory. First, if you have an iPhone with a home button, like an iPhone 8 or earlier, press and hold the power button until the slide to power off slider appears. Do not slide it. Instead, press and hold the home button for about 10 seconds until you see the home screen flash, then release. This clears the RAM. For iPhones without a home button, like iPhone X or later, the process is different. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. Release the side button, your iPhone will restart and the RAM is cleared. This is a safe procedure that does not delete any data. You can also close recent apps by swiping up from the bottom and pausing, then swiping up on app windows, but iOS manages memory efficiently, so this isn't usually necessary. Restarting your iPhone regularly also helps maintain performance. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.